guys, so I did a little bit of Proje coating, ceramic coating on my Audi. This afternoon I knew it was going to rain. That was the main purpose. And look at it how it is. I did 2 coatings on it, 2 coats. This is the hood. And this is raining right now in California and LA. See how it just beats. Especially right here on top of the roof. Just right there, look, like right there. See that line? See, look, awesome. This just lights on its own. Pretty nice. The main reason is right here on the side, so because of the tires. I tried to do another coating because it just gets filled with dirt because of the roadside. And I just tried to do that. So that way I can try to prevent it at least slightly from getting dirt all over the face of the car. You can see it's pretty nice. So yeah, so I gotta get in because just took a shower and I don't want to get sick. Just a quick look on it. Thank you.